I think if you see November, we had about a little more than $8 billion of flow. December, we've already crossed almost crossed $4 billion. So I've never seen this magnitude of flows in my investing career, at least around $13 billion in 6 weeks. So we have to see whether these flows continue towards the fag end of the month, but because domestic institutions continue to sell heavily. So I think some intermittent volatility due to periodic profit booking is possible, but looks broadly like this is a buy on dips market.
And buy what on dips? I mean, what is it that you're going out with? What's your shopping list like for investors?
So, two, three themes we are structurally very positive on from a long-term perspective. One is IT services. Across the tech majors, we are seeing very good guidance coming through. Infosys is likely to exceed its revenue guidance by maybe 200 basis points, including the margin guidance. The cloud adoption and maintenance to me is a very, very big theme, probably a $500 billion enterprise opportunity. Infosys, if you see now, the digital business contributes almost 48% to the revenues. The deal win momentum is very, very robust. And we saw the management talk about how big an opportunity this is. Tech Mahindra, again, if you see the deal pipeline, they have about 72 large deals already. Uh, Telecom, which is 40% of the revenue, should also see traction as the 5G story plays out. So IT services looking good. Also, a lot of cost rationalization from this, pyramid rationalization, offshoring, and work from home or work from anywhere kind of a concept where managements are targeting maybe 30% of the workforce doing, operating remotely.
But, we are seeing some record numbers when it comes to FDI flows into India. And I think a large part of that is being attributed to the PLI scheme, which is essentially production-linked incentive scheme rolled out by the government. What kind of impact has that had on the pharmaceutical sector and also consumer electronics durables?
Very, very positive impact. I think that scheme has been a very key catalyst in attracting long-term flows. Pharma, I think we are seeing a lot of traction both in generics as well as APIs. What we like in this spec in APIs is DVs. DVs is a nice combination of generics and custom synthesis. Great chemistry skills. We like Cipla, two, three triggers working for them. One is the settlement with Celgene on the oncology drug to sell limited volume. Just to give you a perspective, FY19 sales of that drug was about $9 billion. So that could add something materially to Cipla. Also, they are doing well across geographies as well as therapies. We saw recovery in the chronic therapy. The hospital business now is normalizing. Also, the US sales, I think, led by Albuterol, should see some traction.